I don't want to take up all the calls. I'll say this and shut up. But I had a call this morning. A customer come back to me and said, okay, I wanted to be better on the price and everything else. So I had a call with them this morning. I said, okay, what do you want to remove? Right. So he said, well, I don't need the mobile. And I said, okay, that's fine. I can take the mobile off. It will be this price. Are we good to go? And he went, yeah, I just got to get it signed off by my CFO. I said, great. We'll get the contracts to you by next week on the 7th. And then, if you can sign it by DocuSign, good for you. Yes. Bingo. And it's not signed yet, but we're in a good place.
Yes. And David, that's the exact way to handle that. And I get so much slack for this on social media when I tell people, you have to reach a stopping point. Like, if you want the price to come down, you got to remove something. And let me just say here, okay? I don't have a crystal ball, but I'm 99% certain on this. If he had said, I want to get the price down, and you said, cool, I really want your business. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 10% off because I really like you and I want to grow this account. You would not get that close, because although you just did them a big favor by giving them 10% off, no good deed goes unpunished, David. And they're going to be like, you know what? David really likes us. Why don't we hold out for that 10 to be 20 or 30? Or is this company even worth doing business with? Because clearly they think they're overpriced. You were professional about that. You were not a jerk, but you were like, hey, no problem. I get it. What would you like to remove? Right? And if they had said nothing, you could have easily said, I'm confused. You've had the pricing in front of you for 4 weeks. What's changed? Yeah, since July. What's changed? Now we're having a dialogue. Great job, David. I wish I could fly over to the UK and give you a big hug. You are running the system perfectly.